Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my mini dashboard that I am now using for social media because it seems to be working really well for me. And this week I will be using, it's the wrong sticker book, this is sticker book, Teacher Florals. Let's get started. Can I just say how in love I am with this sticker book? Like, it's just, oh, it's worked out so well. And I love all of the big florals. I'm just, I love it. So I'm going to white out my usual because that's what I do. And because I like to start from very fresh, just making sure that it's still on screen. Okay. And then taking this big floral and placing it right here. And then going to the front of the book, grabbing one of these to go with, not those boxes, one of these boxes. So I'm gonna do this, just place it in the middle. And then I'm gonna take one of these, go and place it right next to it with, not check it off, not a noted, but a remember, and that'll be for my Instagram and YouTube stats. Whoops. Then I'm going to place another floral in this corner. Oh, if I can find them first of all. Oh, I would be happy with a book with just these blue florals. Just saying. I'm placing that right here. And then I'm actually going to go into this sticker book because it has so many more blues, and then it's got all these gorgeous quotes. However, I think they actually might be too big. So I might have to steal a quote from a different color scheme in here. Or I'll just take this one. World was hers for the teaching. Oh, I love that. And then up here, and look, a page already done in this sticker book. So this is Teacher Florals. What's the date today? 23rd. Yeah, 4/23. And I keep track of these and I write down what sticker book it came from, so I know exactly what I've been using, so on and so forth. Okay. It's not those. Here we go. Plan on it. And then here will be basically my filming, what I have to film. And then the date that they're going to come out. So that's that page, and I love that so far. Making sure you guys can still see that. And then this side in here is my YouTube video schedule. Yeah, I can put a remember or not another plan on it. Not a midterm. Important. Let's do the dark blue. And that'll be for the YouTube videos. Now, before I put that down though, let's find the florals. Oh, I did use them all on this one already, didn't I? Huh. I think I did. Nope. Okay, wait, before I use that one, I know there's a page with smaller blue florals. There we go. That's what I wanted. just a small one. How do I want to do this? Because even if I put this here, okay, that'll work. Perfect. And then I can still use this down the middle. And there's one more floral on that page that I can use like this. I don't know, that looks just like a squiggle. Doesn't really look like a floral. But let's go into this book and see what they've got. Maybe I'll just use the smaller version of that squiggle. Yep, I'm happy with that. Then what I'm going to use the flags because they're awesome, first of all. And then I can go into my schedule and see what I'm going to post for... How do I want to do this? Okay. So I will be making, where's the 26th? There's 2 posts that I will be making on the 26th. And then this is for Instagram. And then one post on the 27th. There. And then one on the 28th, one on the 29th, so 28th, 29th, and one on the 30th. I know exactly how that's going to go down. Yep, perfect. And then one on the 1st. And one on the 2nd. Perfect. I try not to post more than once a day, but sometimes it is absolutely warranted. Actually, I lied, there's 2 on the 30th. Okay, so that is all that I need for the stickers, and actually I really like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and start writing in my social media planner. All right, so there's the overall finished spread, and so here is my filming schedule. So I normally film videos on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday for the following week, which is why the schedule starts. It's basically when that's going to be posted. And then here I have my YouTube video schedule. And then in this part, I keep track of my Instagram posts. And then in this box here, I keep track of my Instagram and YouTube stats. So far it's working really, really well for me. And I'm really happy with just how I'm using this and how I'm making use of all the space. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.